you don't even trust your own body anymore. Just think about it. Before you eat, you check your phone. Before you move, you look for advice. Before you decide, you search for confirmation. Tell me, at what point did you stop being the source? Most people think they're overwhelmed because of information. No, that's not the problem. The problem is you replaced your internal signal with external noise. And the more noise you take in, the harder it becomes to hear what was already there. Think about how you move now. Let's say you feel tired. Instead of asking your body, "Hey body, what do you need?" you search, "Why am I tired?" Let's say you feel off around someone. Instead of trusting that feeling, you rationalize it. You hesitate before making a decision. And instead of sitting with it, you go look for 5 options to override it. You've been trained to believe that your first signal is the least reliable one. So you ignore it. But it wasn't always like this. No. There was a time where your body was your first response, before constant input, before endless scrolling, before algorithms started feeding you what to think, before you even asked the question. Now, you don't just receive information, you're conditioned by it. And slowly, without noticing, you stopped checking in with yourself and started checking outward first. And here's the part that most people never catch. The more you outsource your decisions, the quieter your body gets. Not because it stopped working, but because you stopped responding to it. Your body learns from you. Ignore it enough, and it lowers the volume. Override it enough, and it stops interrupting you. And when that happens, you don't lose guidance. You lose access to it. And once the signal fades, you become easier to guide, easier to influence, easier to predict. Because now your decisions aren't coming from within, they're being assembled from everything you've been fed. Recommendations, trends, opinions packaged as facts. And it feels like you chose it. But you didn't. You selected from what was placed in front of you. Your body is not random. It's not reacting. Your body is reporting. It reflects what your mind believes before your reality fully shows it. That tension you feel, that hesitation, that quiet resistance you can't explain, that's not confusion. That's awareness. That's awareness trying to reach you before you override it again. Listen, this doesn't mean that you ignore logic. It means stop putting logic before your own signal. Let your body speak first. Pause before you search. Sit with the feeling before you explain it away. Notice what your body is saying without rushing to replace it. Because the moment you start listening again, you don't need as much confirmation. So the next time you feel that hesitation, that tension, that quiet no, you can't explain, don't scroll past it. Don't override it. That might be the realest signal you felt all day. And if you could hear that again, you're not just thinking differently, you're operating differently. If you found something in this video that sparked a thought, shifted your perspective, or just made you feel more grounded, consider showing some love by buying me a coffee. It helps fuel the channel, keeps the uploads coming, and lets me know that the content matters to you. The link's right below in the description or on my channel banner. No pressure, just appreciation if you're moved to support. And as always, thank you for watching, thank you for listening. I am Tony Victory, A Wolf Uncaged. Thank you. Peace.